So in the Telegram group, we have someone who says that he or she came across a post on Reddit saying that there was some dude who got 240s on NBMEs and then failed the actual exam, and the student's really scared now, and then asks if that is possible. And my answer is no, that's not fucking possible. And I made a joke saying that it's essentially the student wants his 15 seconds of fame. Essentially, how do we get attention? Let's go on Reddit and say that we got 255, and then on the NBMEs, and then we failed the real USMLE. Okay? It doesn't fucking happen. The NBMEs don't overpredict, they don't underpredict. You will get various stories where students will talk about getting various high NBME scores and then performing really shitty on the real deal. It's exceedingly rare, okay? It's exceedingly rare. And there tends to be an asterisk sometimes if you were to speak to the student. You say, yeah, you got a 241 on that NBME and you failed the real deal. Can you tell me more? And they're like, oh, well, actually, I did like one block of it like 8 months ago in a study group and I don't remember it. I didn't remember it though. And it's like, yeah, fucking exactly. Okay. There's always like some sort of catch. So look, the point is, if you read certain posts and those stories get amplified about these outlier scenarios where students going to supposedly do very well in the NBMEs and then tank the real deal, it's fucking rare, okay? I mean, it's nothing that you need to get emotional about or worry about. This is the stuff that gets perpetuated and amplified on the forums, okay? I mean, that's just the nature of it. And I've made prior clips on this stuff. The NBME exams do not overpredict, they do not underpredict, okay? You will get fluctuations, but you're not going to get a fucking 30, 40 point drop when you had NBMEs that were 230s, 240s. You're not going to fail the USMLE. It just doesn't happen that way, okay? So I'm debunking a myth firmly with this clip here. You know the deal. I'm going to continue to produce more content. If you like my stuff, subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate your time. That's it.